Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change the notification sound on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and over here on the top, I'll tap on these three dots and go to settings. And now over here you can see here is notifications. Tap on this. And now over here you can find this notification tone. Tap on this and now select the place where you have this notification sound. I'll go with this file manager and now over here you can find different notification sound over here. Now I'll go with this first one and now to set this as notification sound, tap on this OK. And now you can see notification sound of WhatsApp is changed. So in this way, we can change notification sound of WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.